everyone! We are here at Skin Laser Genesis. Ipapakilala ko sa inyo mamaya kung sinong gumagawa ng aking face. At before that, ipapakilala ko sa inyo kung sino pa talaga ako. Ako nga pala ang may-ari ng Car Medic Auto Service Center at ako rin ang isang Miss Pilipinas Canada 2022. So ito pala ang aking mga products. Don't forget that. And here is Ate Laika.
Hi guys, we're inviting you to visit here at Skin Laser Genesis. We do offer facial, massage, Botox, and laser. And this is our contact number, 403-640-4400. And we
guys,
also have nails.
Yeah, and guys, please don't forget po to check their website and also you can find them on their Google. And for the nails, guys, meron tayong nails dito and don't forget for your lips. Ito po, isang bestseller po nila to.
Yes.
So don't forget guys, please visit us here at Skin Laser Genesis.